Today we're gonna be making a soothing balm that is excellent for dog paws, and what's good about it is that it is also good for human paws. The ingredients we're going to be using are almond oil, Calendula Flowers, Unrefined Ivory Shea Butter, and Beeswax. So what you want is a cup of dry Calendula flowers. Our flowers have a lot of petals, but they also have the whole flower. So you'll find some of them, and they smell very earthy and great. Now we're going to cover the Calendula flowers with almond oil until they are completely covered with oil. We've made a double boiler system with some water in a pan, and then we put the flowers and the oil inside. We're gonna let it infuse for at least 2 hours at low heat. So after about 2 hours of infusing your dry flowers into an oil, you're pretty much ready to strain them and strain the oil into a different container. Now when you infuse flowers, you might find tiny little particles left over from flower powder. They will not ruin your final preparation, but if you don't like them, you can strain the oil one more time and pass it through either a coffee filter or a cloth. So I put 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of the calendula infused oil, and I will grate 1 tablespoon of beeswax. I just grated some of our beeswax. It was very easy to grate. It's really soft actually, and it smells delicious. And we're back to our double boiler as usual. We have shea butter, oil, and the grated beeswax. We will let it melt slowly until it's completely melted. Now that everything is melted, we're just going to pour it into the tins. Now that it's in your tins, you want to let it cool. It's better if you put it in the fridge. It will cool in about an hour or 2, and then you can use it on your dog's paws when they're cracked, from all the walking outside, and while you're at it, you can put it on your paws too.